Hey everyone, welcome back to Locally Hosted. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sam. We cover AI, ML, dev tools, and infra.
Today we're talking about running models on your own hardware.
Specifically, the power of Ollama and local inference.
It's wild how easy it is to get started now.
Yeah, Ollama has over 170K stars on GitHub.
That's massive. What makes it so popular?
It abstracts away the complexity of running LLMs locally.
So you just install it and magic happens?
Pretty much, it handles the model weights for you.
What models can you actually run with this?
Llama, Gemma, Mistral, Qwen, and many others.
Is it just about running them or more?
It's about integration with your workflow.
Like coding assistants or chatbots?
Exactly. You can connect it to VS Code or Slack.
Wait, so my code can talk to a local model?
Yes, via simple REST API or Python client.
That changes everything for privacy-conscious devs.
No data leaves your machine. That's the key.
How does it handle different hardware setups?
It auto-detects GPU or CPU resources seamlessly.
So even a MacBook Air can run these models?
Yes, with Metal acceleration on macOS.
That's impressive. What about Windows users?
Windows has native CUDA support now too.
Okay, so installation is just one command?
Curl for Linux Mac, PowerShell for Windows.
Super simple. What's the first thing to try?
Run Ollama, run Llama 3 in your terminal.
And it just downloads and starts chatting?
It pulls the model, quantizes it, and runs it.
Quantized? Like compressed for speed?
Yes, it balances size and performance.
Does it work with Docker containers?
Absolutely. Official images on Docker Hub.
Great for deploying in production environments.
Exactly. Consistent behavior across platforms.
What about custom models? Can I train them?
You can fine-tune using their library.
Or just use the API to build apps?
Both. The API is very RESTful and standard.
How do you interact with it programmatically?
Python library or NPM package for JS.
So I can build a chatbot in minutes?
Yes, it's designed for rapid prototyping.
What's the latency like for responses?
Depends on hardware, but it's quite fast.
Real-time conversation speed?
On good GPUs, yes. Tokens stream quickly.
Is it open source? Can I contribute?
Yes, the core is open source.
That builds a lot of community trust.
It allows for transparency and audits.
What about security concerns with local models?
Local means you control the data completely.
No cloud leaks, no API key sharing?
Exactly. Ultimate privacy and control.
Can I run multiple models at once?
Yes, Ollama manages concurrent requests.
Like a mini inference server?
Precisely. It's a lightweight server.
How does it compare to Hugging Face?
Ollama is for running. HF is for hosting.
They complement each other well.
Yes, pull from HF, run locally with Ollama.
What's the biggest advantage for enterprises?
Data sovereignty and cost reduction.
No per token fees is huge.
Once you have the hardware, it's free.
Are there any downsides to running locally?
You need the hardware to support it.
Hardware costs are the barrier.
But prices are dropping fast for GPUs.
What about model size limitations?
VRAM limits how large a model you can run.
So quantization is essential for smaller cards.
Yes, it makes large models fit into RAM.
Does it support vision models too?
Yes, multimodal models are supported.
Like analyzing images locally?
Exactly. Great for private image processing.
How do you update the models?
Just pull the new version via CLI.
So no manual downloading of weights.
Correct. It handles versioning automatically.
That reduces maintenance headaches.
Yes, focus on building, not managing.
What's the future for local AI?
It's becoming the standard for privacy.
Cloud will always exist, but local grows.
Hybrid approaches will dominate the market.
Starting simple with Ollama is smart.
It lowers the barrier to entry significantly.
Anyone can start experimenting today.
Yes, no account needed, just install.
What's the best model to start with?
Llama 3 or Gemma are great defaults.
Good balance of speed and intelligence.
Yes, they are highly optimized.
Can I use it for code generation?
Absolutely, Codex models are available.
So I can replace Copilot locally?
Yes, for those who prefer local tools.
That's a powerful shift in the ecosystem.
Decentralizing AI is the next big wave.
Thanks for breaking this down, Sam.
Anytime. It's a fascinating space.
Subscribe to Locally Hosted for more deep dives.
Original source is linked in the description.
See you next time on Locally Hosted.
Keep building locally. Bye, everyone.